Step into the unknown. Welcome to the quantum room, where science meets imagination.
What happens when the brilliance of science collides with the brutality of war? When the strange world of quantum physics is transformed into the deadliest weapon humanity has ever created. This is the story of the Manhattan Project, where equations turned into explosions, and scientists became soldiers in the race for survival. In the early 20th century, quantum physics was unlocking mysteries of the atom. Niels Bohr explained atomic structure, Werner Heisenberg developed quantum mechanics, and Enrico Fermi experimented with nuclear reactions. But one discovery changed everything: nuclear fission, the splitting of an atom's nucleus. It released unimaginable energy, and with it, unimaginable possibilities. Physicists knew, if you could control a chain reaction, you could create either a new source of power or a weapon of unprecedented destruction. In 1939, as World War II raged in Europe, scientists feared Nazi Germany might harness fission first. Albert Einstein and physicist Leo Szilard wrote a letter to President Roosevelt, warning that Hitler's scientists could build an atomic bomb. The letter sparked action. The US could not afford to fall behind. What followed was one of the most secret and ambitious projects in history: the Manhattan Project. Thousands of scientists, engineers, and workers spread across hidden sites in the US. They worked under extreme secrecy, building the infrastructure to enrich uranium and produce plutonium. At Los Alamos, J. Robert Oppenheimer led a team of the greatest scientific minds of the century. They wrestled with quantum theory, nuclear reactions, and the engineering of weapons never seen before. The science of the very small, neutrons, protons, and quantum probabilities, was now being turned into the fate of nations. For many scientists, it was a moral paradox. They were fascinated by the physics, yet haunted by the purpose. In July 1945, the first atomic bomb test, the Trinity explosion, lit up the desert sky. A new age had begun. Only weeks later, Hiroshima and Nagasaki were destroyed. Over 200,000 lives were lost, and the world entered the nuclear age. Einstein, who had warned of the bomb, later regretted his role, saying, "Had I known, I would not have signed that letter." Oppenheimer quoted the Bhagavad Gita, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds." The Manhattan Project proved that quantum physics could change the world, but not always for the better. It gave humanity immense power, but also immense responsibility. Today, quantum physics once again sits at the center of global competition, from quantum computers to quantum weapons. The question is, will we use this knowledge to build or to destroy?